Cloves contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals, so using whole or ground cloves to add flavor to your food can provide some important nutrients. Cloves are basically flower buds with distinct aromas. This comes from evergreen trees. These dried flower buds originated from China and traveled to Europe and Asia in the Middle Ages. Clove benefits are well known in the spice and medicine world. It has significant health benefits, including liver health and normalizing sugar levels in the body. In addition to containing several important vitamins and minerals, cloves are rich in antioxidants. Some research suggests that the compounds found in cloves might help protect against cancer. Cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. Studies show that the beneficial compounds in cloves could help promote liver health. The compound eugenol may be especially beneficial for the liver. Ingredients: cloves, boiling water,